everyone, welcome to Eassiy Official. Oh no, forgot your iPhone passcode? Don't worry, we've got some awesome methods to help you unlock it without having to restore your device. Let's dive in and explore these cool ways to get back into your iPhone. Can you reset the passcode on the iPhone without restoring it? Yes, you can reset the passcode on an iPhone without restoring it. Here are workarounds such as using Face ID, Touch ID, or Siri on older iOS versions. If you have Find My iPhone enabled, you can erase your device remotely and set it up again without restoring from a backup. If these methods don't work, restoring the device is the only option. How to unlock iPhone passcode without restore. Way 1. Use Face ID or Touch ID. If you've set up Face ID or Touch ID, you can unlock your iPhone using these biometric methods. Simply gaze at your iPhone, ensuring that your face is in view of the front camera. To unlock, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. If you're using Touch ID, press the home button with the registered finger and your iPhone will unlock automatically. Way 2. Use Siri. Press and hold the home button to activate Siri or say, "Hey Siri." Then ask what time is it, to have Siri display the current time and enter the world clock interface. To add a new clock, tap the plus icon and search for a location. Double tap the text in the search bar and choose Select All, then select Share from the options. Open the Messages app by choosing the message option and adding a contact to send the time to. You can also add a photo to the new contact by selecting Create New Contact and then Add Photo, followed by choosing a photo from the Photos app. Once done, press the Home button to return to the home screen. Other ways to unlock iPhone with restoring. Way 1. Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Passixer iPhone Unlocker is a reliable tool designed to help you unlock your iPhone if you've forgotten your passcode. It can handle 6 types of security challenges on iOS, including removing iCloud activation lock, Apple ID, MDM, iTunes encryption, and more. The tool is compatible with all iOS versions, including the latest iOS 17. Start by installing the software on your Windows or Mac computer. Then launch the program and select the Wipe Passcode option. After that, connect your iPhone to the computer using a suitable USB cable. Once Passixer identifies your device, make sure that the displayed information matches your iPhone, and proceed to download a firmware package to unlock it. Once the download is finished, click Next and input 0000 in the provided field to confirm the unlocking process. Take note of any relevant warnings and then click Unlock to initiate the process. Passixer will promptly unlock your iPhone PIN. Upon completion, disconnect your iPhone from the computer and start using. Way 2. Use iTunes or Finder. If you have previously synced your iPhone with iTunes or Finder and have Find My iPhone disabled, you can use this method. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer you synced with. Launch iTunes on a Windows PC or Finder on a Mac. In iTunes or Finder, select your iPhone when it appears. You will then see an option to Restore or Update. Choose Restore to reset your passcode. Way 3. Use iCloud. To remotely erase your iPhone using iCloud, start by opening a web browser on your computer or another device and go to iCloud.com. Once there, sign in using your Apple ID and password. After logging in, you should see a main menu where you can select Find iPhone. Click on Find iPhone and then select all devices at the top of the screen. From the list of devices, choose your iPhone. Finally, click on Erase iPhone to begin the process of erasing all the data from your device. These methods provide various ways to regain access to your device. Thanks for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.